Okay, now I'm going to show you how it's put on, the tubing. So you take this off first and you'll see that there's a hole there. I popped the spray out, just pops out, just push it out. And here you take this out, here, you pull that out. That way you've got a clear hole. On this particular spray it's a 6mm hole. We've got some tubing which is 6mm also, and what we've done is got an 8mm clear tubing, cut a piece and slid it down the side to act as a sleeve. Then we got a 4mm O-ring which fits over that nicely. Then we get the sprayer, we push the tubing in as far as it goes, just slightly. You get the cap, screw it on firmly like that, check it, nice and firm. And for convenience we've got a push fitting that we put on the end, that way whatever you got attached to it you can just attach it off and on whenever you need to fill the pump spray up. And I hope this helps for the people that have problems putting tubing on your sprayer bottle. And well, I suppose that's about it.